In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find message request option in Google Chats. If you've ever wanted to check whether someone has tried to contact you in Google Chats, but you weren't sure where those messages go, this quick walkthrough will help. The message request section is where Google Chats may place conversations from people you haven't interacted with yet, so it's useful to know exactly where to find it. To begin, open Google Chat and go to your home dashboard. This is the main screen where you can usually see your recent conversations, spaces, and navigation options. Make sure you're fully loaded into the chat homepage before moving on, because the option you need appears from there. Once you're on the Google Chat home dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen. In that area, you'll see the New Chat button. Go ahead and click on New Chat. This opens the menu used to start conversations, search for people, and access a few additional chat-related options. After clicking New Chat, look through the menu that appears and find the Message Requests option. When you see it, click on Message Requests. That will take you to the area where Google Chat keeps incoming requests that may need your attention. This section is helpful because it lets you review conversations before fully engaging with them. Depending on your account and who is contacting you, you may see pending requests there, or the section may be empty if you don't currently have any. Either way, now you know exactly where to check whenever you need it. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you are on the correct Google Chat homepage and not inside a specific conversation or space. It can also help to look carefully through the menu after selecting New Chat, since some interface layouts can feel slightly different depending on screen size or account type, but the path stays the same. Start from the home dashboard, click New Chat, and then open Message Requests. And that's all it takes. Once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to find again whenever you need to review new or pending chat requests in Google Chat. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly locate the message request option in Google Chats.